Hi there, my name is Aveena Devi and I'm a full-time mixed media artist. I'm also born as a differently abled person. A couple months ago, I went for a correctional surgery for my spine, and after recovering, I had struggled to go back into my work to create art. I felt like I was in a space that didn't allow me to grow in my work, to allow my energy to flow and ideas to flow mainly. I didn't have any enthusiasm to create as well. So I reached out to Artsy Craftsy. Very grateful to say Shia is a very close friend of mine, and she's been amazing with journaling, art journaling, and I have gone through classes with her a couple of years back, and I realized that she's helped me realign my energy and get me out of my mental blocks for me to be able to create again. So I got in touch with her, and I told her what's been happening with me, and she scheduled a class, one-to-one, and we had a wonderful class where I was able to speak to her heart to heart about what's happening with me, and she walked me through the whole session, teaching me how to channel all those unwanted energy into journaling. And it has been so wonderful since then, because I now have a source of letting go my frustrations, or letting go any negative energy that comes my way into journaling. And it has been a wonderful journey so far. I have been able to go back into my work. As you can see, I've been able to freely create without overthinking, without worrying if it's good enough. I've gone back into creating for myself, and that was only possible because of the art journaling session that I had with Shia. So I realized that there's always many ways, many coping mechanisms to help people to come out and speak about their issues. And I strongly feel that art journaling is one of those wonderful ways to help you heal within yourself, and come to terms with your past, and come to terms with the pain you've gone through, whether it's mentally or physically. So it's been about a month, I think, about a month since I've met her. I haven't stopped journaling since then. I've made it into a habit to journal as much as possible, so that I do not stuff any more negativity in me, and when I do, I have found a source to let it out. So that is what journaling means to me now, and I'm very grateful to Artsy Craftsy for being there for me. So Why don't you guys give it a try?
I just seem like a very happy child.